This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about silicone molds, specifically these Pastry Tech silicone molds. And we have a few of them here to show you. The Bubble Cube, which is a fantastic modern design and gives you these nice little cube shapes that are covered in these kind of little round bubbles for great modern design. And you can see down in there, it's got that great detail. And these molds are really nice and flexible, which makes them easy to use and also easy to unmold. And this is a 6-compartment one. We have the Diamond Heart, which has 8 compartments. And you can see it's got those really great faceted edges down there. And I like these molds too because they have the appropriate supports on the bottom so that when you have heavier materials in there, they're going to retain their shape and retain those beautiful, lovely details. We also have a pineapple mold as well. So you can see it's got those great little scalloped ridges on those pineapple, and that design goes all the way to the bottom of the mold as well. And then we also have this lovely 4-compartment popsicle. So these are nice sized popsicles, and you can see it features a little hole down there. That's where you're sliding in your stick, and you've got a little rest there to keep it in place so that things are setting up just the way they need to, and that stick has the support it needs to stay in the middle. So these flexible molds are both oven, microwave, and freezer safe, making them ideal for a variety of different uses. There's over 20 shapes to choose from, giving you a wide selection of fun and whimsical styles. You can use these to bake or make molded desserts, and they're perfect for a variety of different types of pastries. They're stain resistant and oven safe up to 450 degrees. They're also dishwasher safe as well, making for an easy cleanup. And no matter your skill level, these molds can really help you step up the presentation of your pastries, making them fantastic for professionals, but also for beginners that are looking to impress their friends with ease. They're great for making candies, molded chocolates, frozen desserts, molding things like Bavarians, baking little cakes and pastries, as well as doing crafts like making soaps or candles. So these are great for restaurants, bakeries, candy shops, and a variety of different food professionals, but they're also great for home bakers, decorators, and crafters.